How to turn off two-factor authentication on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to easily turn off two-factor authentication on the Instagram app. Alright, let's dive right in. First, open the Instagram app and then click on the profile icon on the bottom right. Then on the top right, you'll see three horizontal lines. Tap on it. Click on Account Center and then go to Password and Security. Now before I teach you, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Now below Change Password, tap on Two-Factor Authentication. Click on your profile again. Currently, my two-factor authentication is set up through text message. To turn it off, simply tap on the option and then toggle it off. And tap on Turn Off to confirm it. And that's it. Now this will disable this extra layer of protection. And that's it. You've successfully turned off two-factor authentication. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this. Thanks for watching.